Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 3. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission for many purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 269. If we start with this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 5. We have 1 and 5 here, so this is a 4. 5 here, so 1, 5. For this row, we're missing 2, 4, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 4, no help here, 2, 4, 7, and no help here, 2, 4, 7. For this row, we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 4, 2 here, so 4, 5, and no help here, 2, 4, 5. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 5. We've got a 5 covering these two squares, so our 5 must be here. 3 here, so 1, 3. And with that 5, we can get rid of this 5. And now the only place the 5 can be in this row is here. For this box, we're missing 2, 4, and 7. We have 7 covering these two boxes, so our 7 must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 2, 4, 2, 4. And with that 7, we can get rid of this 7. For this column, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. That 2 makes this our 4, 2, 4, 2. And that 4 makes this our 2, 4. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got the 4 here, so 1, 4. For this box, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got the 8 here, so 1, 8. For this column, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 7. For this column, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 9, 1. For this box, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 3. For this row, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 4. For this row, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 7. For this box now, we're just missing a 9. For this column, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. For this column, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got the 8 here, so 2, 8. For this box now, we're just missing a 5. And for this box, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.